welcome back. It's Cat Dog Gaming and Fun. So today it's my parrot Choochie's birthday and I'm very excited to celebrate it. And for that I am going to be making him some birthday cake tarts. Obviously parrots can't have real sugar, so we're deciding something a little bit more organic. So first we have some bananas that have already been cut. They're a little ripe, but that just makes them more sweet. And then we have some like bread that has been toasted and cut in pieces so it can make tarts. And lastly, parrot's favorite treat, which is millet. So let's get started. So first you're gonna need a plate, and in a plate you will use the already cut tarts. You will take one tart, and then after taking one tart you will put the banana. Take one piece of banana right there, and for that you will put the banana right there. You will use the millet. I don't already have cut millet, so I'm just gonna be spraying it so that it can make the treat more delicious. So let me just use it all. So this is one treat and hope he enjoys it. So we have one there, and now I'm gonna make another one. So this is like a pizza shape.
Heard you found somebody to hold on to, but they will never love you like I want to. Used to whisper your mind after I'd start a fight just to make sure you'd know I'm right. We're not one of
There we go. It's filled with parrot's favorite treats. A little more there, a little more over there, and there we go. So that's complete. You have a birthday cake tart for your parrot. I'm excited for him to eat it. He will enjoy it a lot. First, we will light the candles for Choochie. Now we need to give the cake to Choochie, but obviously he can't be with fire, so before we give it we need to blow it. But 1 minute. So this is the birthday for Choochie. Now we will blow the candles for him so that he can eat the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Choochie. Happy birthday to you. I'll blow the candles out for him. Now we will take the candles out so that he can eat the cake. He's looking at the cake.
Jaldi.
This is Choochie's cake. I think he's enjoying it. He likes the millet. He likes the bread. Choochie, you can have it. And obviously Tona wants the cake as well. So we will grab him a cake as well. Tona, you can have it right here. Oh, he dropped the banana. And I think the birthday boy is enjoying his cake. Now we have a special new guest for him. Then we have a new member. He really wants the cake as well. They're all sharing. Oh, Donna's taking the cake. Ginger. Birthday boy is enjoying, and Ginger boy right here really wants it as well, but he can't have it because he's a cat and his stomach will be. He's enjoying it a lot.
Whisper your mind after I'd start a fight just to make sure you know I'm right. We're not one of a kind, but I just thought we might make it another night. I know we're not made for this, and I'd hate to say we almost made it.
Choochie has invited both his friends Donna and Ginger, and they both are enjoying the cake dearly.
I saw you hanging at our old place, and she seems like